Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a own home automation system with ESP12F board. So with this circuit we can control the LED or appliance with our web server page on the desktop or smartphone by connecting the ESP12 with your system like the smartphone. And in this case the ESP12F board acts as a hotspot. So when you turn on your Wi-Fi on your smartphone or desktop, so this will show as a ESP12F hotspot name, and you can enter the password, then connect your Wi-Fi board with this. Now after connecting with this, you can enter the IP address which will show on the display later. And here for the connection we have connecting of 4 LEDs at digital pin number 4, 5 and 12, 13, and taking the common ground for all the components together, and also connecting a potentiometer at analog pin number 0, which is I have configured as a LDR pin so that we can see the intensity of the light. So for the demonstration purpose, in this case here I have connecting a preset for adjusting the value at analog pin so that we can see the variation in the output, and also we can control any home appliance using the relay or SCR or track. So I have connecting the FTDI module with this development board as I have made in my own. So after uploading the code, so it will works like this. Now here you can see the IP address as 192.168.4.1. so after connecting with your Wi-Fi board, you have to enter the IP address on your browser, then you can search and the page will open like this. Here the sensor data, LDR value, and all the components will shown on the web page. This way you can make this project at your home for your school and college. So here as you can see, the value of the LDR varies as I rotate the potentiometer on the breadboard. So this way the working of this project, and if you have any doubt regarding this project, you can ask your doubt in the comments, and also I will provide all the details like the code and circuit diagram in the description. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.